Colonel Harland Sanders, the founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC, is a quintessential example of perseverance and success against all odds. Born in 1890 in Henryville, Indiana, Sanders faced numerous challenges from a young age. After his father passed away when he was just 6, Sanders had to take care of his younger siblings while his mother worked. He learned to cook and became proficient in the kitchen, a skill that would later shape his destiny. Sanders had a variety of jobs throughout his early life, including as a farmhand, streetcar conductor, railroad fireman, and insurance salesman. However, he faced many setbacks and failures, losing multiple jobs and struggling to find his footing. It wasn't until he was 40 years old that he began running a service station in Corbin, Kentucky, where he served meals to travelers. His cooking gained popularity, and he eventually opened a restaurant. But his real breakthrough came in his 60s, when he began franchising his fried chicken recipe. Sanders drove across the country, often sleeping in his car, to pitch his secret recipe to restaurant owners. He faced numerous rejections. His cooking gained popularity, and he eventually opened a restaurant. But his real breakthrough came in his 60s, when he began franchising his fried chicken recipe. Sanders drove across the country, often sleeping in his car, to pitch his secret recipe to restaurant owners. He faced numerous rejections. Legend has it that his recipe was rejected over 1,000 times before he found his first partner. In 1952, the first KFC franchise opened in Salt Lake City, Utah. Sanders' blend of 11 herbs and spices became a hit, and the franchise grew rapidly. By 1964, at the age of 74, Sanders sold his interest in the company for $2 million, equivalent to about $16 million today. Despite selling the company, he remained the face of KFC and continued to promote the brand until his death. Colonel Sanders' story is a powerful reminder that it's never too late to achieve your dreams. His journey teaches us about resilience, hard work, and the belief in one's vision. Persistence pays off. Despite facing many failures, Sanders continued to believe in his vision and worked tirelessly to achieve it.